Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get free shipping on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead, access a particular Etsy app on your mobile phone. So once we're here, let's cross this out first and go to our home section. So there are two or three things that I would like to mention. The first would be you can actually get discount on Etsy. So the thing is, you can get a free shipping guarantee automatically applies free shipping for US buyers when they purchase any individual item that is 35 US dollars or above, and orders with a total cost of 35 US dollar and up. So simply, if you have an order of, or either can be individual or total cost of $35 for US buyers, you can get a shipping automatically. It's listed that way. But if you are not, then you have option of actually offers. So when you go to some of the shops, like you have a particular shops, and in their announcements, sometimes for the special occasions or sometimes for, like, holidays, in the announcement section they actually give you some offers that can include the free shipping for the purchase that you do there, right? So if that is the case, if you purchase from that particular shop, you will automatically get the free shipping, or you can sometimes redeem your coupons or gift cards as well, which will deduct the cost of your shipping. So that will basically be like free shipping. So those are some of the ways for you to do, and that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.